Oh, whoops. Should I put both on? Oh, whoops, I definitely should have put both on. What a fail. What's going on, guys? It's Rahman. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And if you're not, hopefully this video cheers you up because we're gonna be unboxing not only one of the biggest sneaker releases of the year, not only one of the biggest sneaker releases of the past 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, but one of the biggest sneaker releases of all time. And if not that, it's gotta be the most technologically advanced sneaker release of all time. You guessed it, we're gonna be unboxing the Nike Adapt BBs, Nike's first auto-lacing basketball sneaker. Now, we saw Nike drop an auto-lacing sneaker a few years ago with the Nike Adapts, but these are designed specifically for basketball. And we've seen ballers like Luka Doncic, Jason Tatum, and Kyle Kuzma rock these on the court during an NBA game. And I'm really interested to see how these fit because a basketball sneaker doesn't just have to fit you. It has to really fit you because when you're out there on the court, you're trying to cross fools up, you're trying to drop dimes, you're pulling up, you're trying to get buckets. You need a sneaker that's gonna be with you forever. That's what you need. It needs to fit you extremely well. So can the Adapt BBs live up to the hype? That is what we're gonna find out. But before we get into this box, I got a huge bone to pick with Nike and I was waiting for the right time to talk about it. And now is that time. Check out this box that the Adapt BBs came in. Now you guys have probably heard about this before. A lot of people have been having problems with this. Not only does this box have a Nike swoosh on the bottom, but it also has some Nike tape. It says just do it right over here. Now, when the FedEx lady came over, she told me that the box was already open. Excuse me, what? The box is already open? I asked her, what do you mean the box is already open? She said she had no idea that's how it came in the truck. And she asked me if I wanted to make sure that whatever was in here was actually in here. And she was super nice. I don't blame her. She helped me hold the box. So I checked to see if these were in here. And luckily they were. But when she told me that, oh my gosh, my heart sank right to my stomach. I thought someone jacked my Adapt BBs because anyone who is kind of paying attention to the sneaker world can notice this box, it's Nike, can notice the tape, which is also Nike, and say, those Adapt BBs just came out. It's kind of a big box. Maybe the Adapt BBs are in there. Whoever was working or shipping these, they wanted to take a little peek at what was in there because the box was open. I got water damage on my box, as you can see right over here, right by the handle. There's water damage, which is a bummer because this is kind of a collector's item. That's a huge bummer. Nike, I don't know what you were thinking. I mean, luckily these weren't stolen, but a lot of people have had this box with the Nike swoosh and the Nike tape stolen off their front porch, their stoop, whatever it may be. Nike, this just not working. Just don't do it, please. Please don't do it. All right, now that I got that out of the way, let's just get to unboxings. I can't wait to see what these are all about. How do you open this? Okay, there's a little slip right here. I think you pull that out. Yes, sir. Okay, not the smoothest unboxing ever. Let's put these where they're supposed to go. Let's do this first. This is the wireless charging mat. This is awesome. This is how you charge the Adapt BBs. You see these two circles. I'm assuming you put these sneakers right on those circles. It's connected by a USB-C connector, which I think these are it right here in this nice little silver pouch. Yes, sir. Got the power brick and you got the cord. So that's the wireless charging mat. And then I think you also get an instruction booklet right over here. What is this? Yep, it's just the standard paperwork. Is there anything else? No, there's nothing else. Okay, let's get to the sneakers. Oh boy, this is a huge moment, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Ooh, here they are, the Nike Adapt BBs. Oh my gosh, this is a huge moment. Not just for me as a sneakerhead, but for anybody. It's really for anyone. This is the future of basketball, Nike says. So we're probably gonna see more self-lacing sneakers in the future if Nike continues to go down this route. I got people who aren't even into sneakers asking me about these. That's how transcendent this product is. Let me take away this charge mat for a second and just focus on the sneakers now. There's a couple of shoe trees in here. They're just plastic, nothing premium, which for $350, maybe Nike could have thrown in something a little more premium in here. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that They are fairly light. They're a little bottom heavy. I'm just assuming that's the mechanism of whatever is the auto lacing technology, the tech in the bottom of the midsole. I think that's what's making these a little bottom heavy, but they are lighter than what you would expect. Not by a ton. When Nike had the press release for these, everyone was saying they're extremely light. I wouldn't go as far as to say they're extremely light, but they are lighter from what you would expect from a sneaker that is going to lace itself. That's pretty crazy. Now, one thing that I'm really liking are these materials. These are extremely soft. These feel extremely comfortable. Now, you can obviously feel that auto lacing system underneath the upper. That's gonna be interesting. How much padding is in the inside? It feels like there's a lot of padding with this tongue. There's kind of an inner tongue, as you can see right here. Then you have that knit upper kind of going as an overlay. But this knit upper is extremely soft. There's a slight plastic coating on it. I'm assuming that's just for extra durability and protection, but it is not stiff whatsoever. This is an extremely soft upper. I'm assuming that there's gonna be no break-in time whatsoever. Straight out of the box, these are gonna feel extremely comfortable. And I also like this futuristic take on the Nike swoosh where it kind of drips off with these dots over here at the end. That is a really cool look. And I think it's interesting that they dropped these in just a basic black and white colorway. I think they really want the technology and the overall design, not just the colors, the style of the shoe, the cut of the shoe, the lines, the sculpture of the shoe to speak for itself. And that's why they dropped it in this basic black, white, and silver colorway. I mean, really the only color here is gonna be from the lights, whatever color you choose, and the slightly tinted blue translucent outsole. Man, look, at the end of the day, I'm just really happy to have an opportunity to test these out for you guys. I mean, I've been working on this channel really hard. I got lucky, I got the link, I got it copped. I bought these just like anyone else would, and I'm extremely happy that I got lucky because this is gonna be a very interesting sneaker to try out. And at the very least, I'm gonna have a fun time playing these. Obviously, if it doesn't perform, that's not gonna be fun, but I'm gonna have fun trying out new things. I mean, this sneaker right here, the Air Jordan 33, it also used a very innovative lacing system. And while I didn't like this shoe, I appreciated what Jordan Brand was trying to do. They were trying to push the boundaries of technology on court sneakers. So I like the idea, but the execution wasn't what I thought it would be. So hopefully these perform a little bit better than these. And if they do, I mean, that's gonna be awesome. But if they don't, still, it's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna appreciate these just like I appreciated these because I do think it's important to try to find new ways to push the boundaries of technology in sneakers. And that's exactly what the Adapt BBs do. All right, so those are my overall thoughts on the Adapt BBs, visually and aesthetically, just my current thoughts. But what I wanna do now is I wanna launch the app and show you guys what these are all about, the whole auto lacing system. So let's launch the app right here. You gotta download it from the store, Nike Adapt app. All right, hello Jaron, welcome to the future of adaptive footwear. Let's connect your Nike Adapt BBs. Hold near buttons like this. Kind of scan in. Oh, connect your left shoe, I see. I'm holding near the buttons. Do you need to charge these first? Maybe if this one's away from this one. Why is it not connecting? I'm holding it near the buttons. Do I have to hold the buttons? Oh, the buttons just lit up. Oh, there you go. You have to hold the buttons. Wow, look at those colors. That's really cool. Can you guys see that right there? All right, now it's asking me to Bluetooth connect. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? This is interesting. Why do you have to pair up both sides? I mean, when you pair up speakers Bluetooth, you don't have to do the left and right speaker. Anyways, whatever. Listen. Did you hear that? This is crazy, man. We're in the future. Adjust your shoes and find the perfect fit. Now it's asking me to put the shoes on. So we're gonna put the shoes on right now. Let me grab the camera. All right, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. We're about to put on the first basketball auto lacing sneaker. It said it would auto adjust. Okay, so I'm assuming I have to press start on the app now. Oh, whoops. Should I put both on? Oh, whoops, I definitely should have put both on. Oh my God, oh my God. It just went right to my foot. The right one. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I feel like Spider-Man, guys. Oh my gosh. Now it's asking me to fine tune the left shoe. Oh no, well, I don't have the left shoe on, guys. Oh no, maybe if I loosen it. It's pretty tight. This is a fail. I should have put both shoes on. I'm trying to get it on. Okay, I got it on. Woo! That was a fail. All right, now we get to fine tune it. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. Oh, maybe a little looser actually. It's pretty narrow in the midfoot. All right, let's fine tune the right shoe. There we go. It's pretty narrow in the midfoot, mainly like back here. I'm feeling a little tightness only in the left shoe. I feel it a little bit on the right, but mainly the left. Now, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. The shoe fits me. I mean, like I said, besides that narrowness, hopefully it breaks in. This shoe fits me pretty well. I mean, golly, these are absolutely bananas. Oh my gosh. Let me check out the app for a second. All right, right now I'm on the app. I'm trying to figure out how to change the color. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. It totally changed. Okay, let me try. How do I change the color totally? Here we go. Let's try purple for Laker Nation. Woohoo! Woohoo! That is awesome! Man, we are in the future. Let's try red. Ooh, that looks nice. Green? Oh my God, they got all the colors. Yellow, blue, light blue, pink, orange, brighter yellow. I think the purple looks nice with the black and the white. Oh my gosh. How about this side? Oh my gosh, we are literally in the future. Why doesn't the light stay on? Is it a battery thing? Oh, what button was that? Is that loosening it up? Oh yeah, I guess that's loosening it up. Now I can take off the shoe. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. These are crazy. I don't even really know what to say. That was an unreal, unique, crazy experience. I mean, I knew going into this what these were and they would snap to my foot. I knew, but just doing it, actually practicing it in person, it's crazy. If you could try these on, you don't even have to buy these. If you could try these on, if you have that opportunity, I would highly recommend you do so because, man, I don't even know what to say. It honestly felt like I was in the future. It felt like I just got 50 years older. I feel like I'm in the future right now. Like legit, guys, on real, on mamas, I feel like I'm in the future. This is crazy. I mean, even if these don't perform well, that experience alone was good enough. That was absolutely crazy. I can't wait to see if these are good on the court. Man, I'm gonna be in a real predicament. If these are good on the court, am I gonna keep rocking these or do I wanna kind of preserve these? Man, I don't know. I might have to pick up a second pair if that's available. If they come out with new colorways. Nike, Adapt BBs, these are real, man. I cannot believe these. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I have for you for this video. I'm gonna play around with these. I'm gonna check these out some more. There will be a full performance review on that. So be sure to stay tuned. I'm gonna see how these perform on the court. If you guys like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out a ton. And let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Are you interested in picking up a pair? And if you're not, tell us why. Let's have a conversation. My name's Aaron. It's been great having you. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.